Nikki Mustaki for Coupon.com, and today we have an amazing deal on the PetZoom brush. The PetZoom is a new self-cleaning, pain-free way to groom your pet. The metal bristles are very soft. They have tips on them so that it won't irritate your pet's skin. But the coolest thing about the PetZoom is this little button. This brush does something that no other brush does. When you press the button softly, the PetZoom will lock into a second position. The bristles are a little bit shorter, and that's great for a pet with a short coat or a very short groom. If you press the button a little bit more, the bristles completely disappear and the hair that's on the head of the brush can be easily wiped away. No more hassle of getting out a comb and trying to struggle with your brush to get all the pet hair out. This is Nikki Mustaki for Coupon.com, and I hope you enjoy our awesome deal of the day. Coupon.com, because you're obsessed with your pet.